Hello, welcome back. For today's video, I'm doing something very different. I'm working with the color blue and only the color blue. Well, except for the floors. I really hated that when I did it. But other than that, everything in the room will be various shades of blue. So this is the shade of blue that I'm going with for the walls, and I will be adding a totally on-theme blue wallpaper to the back wall. It looks fine so far, but I lightened up the walls a bit so they match the wallpaper a little bit better. I'm starting to add in furniture all over the room and making them various shades of blue. I'm kind of just making it up as I go along. As you can see here, I'm kind of struggling to make it all sort of come together. Now, this room is small, so despite my best efforts to fit 2 sofas, I couldn't, because you need to be able to walk around the furniture, and having 2 sofas wouldn't allow that. I also decided I didn't really want that tall shelf anymore, so I deleted it and decided to do something different. And with that being said, it will only be a sofa and an armchair, among other pieces of furniture. So I ended up doing some stuff and not recording it. Oops. But I've added curtains, corner shelves, a rug, coffee table, a credenza, and a bench in that little alcove, and these box floating shelves. And some plants. Now, other than the floor, plants are the only non-blue things in the entire room. And speaking of plants, try to imagine bigger, leafier plants. Now, after adding cushions in yet another shade of blue, I am creating a collage on the wall and adding a mirror above the credenza. I also did the lighting where I felt like I needed it and went back through to correct and change any shades of blue that I felt stood out a little bit too much, and now I'm at the end of it. This is it. I feel like it didn't turn out half bad considering it's just various shades of blue. I half expected to hate it, but if I did, you wouldn't be seeing the video right now. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave a comment saying which color you'd like to see me try next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!